Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix the "this site can't be reached" error in Google Chrome on your Windows PC. Alright, so let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is go to the Windows search bar, type Control Panel, and open it. Over here, click on Network and Internet, and then select Network and Sharing Center. After that, click on your active network connection. Then, a new window will pop up. Now click on Properties. Over here, find Internet Protocol version 6 TCP/IP6 and deselect it to disable it. After that, click on OK to save the changes. Now, try to load the web page that you were trying to access and see if the error is fixed or not. So that's basically how you can fix the "this site can't be reached" error in Google Chrome. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.